Own photography course. My name is Dale McManus, and I'm a professional photographer, videographer, and multi-award winning YouTuber. I have a bachelor's degree in film science and 9 years experience in the field of photography and filmmaking. Here's a few of my photos I've shot 100% with my iPhone. No fancy expensive camera apps, no additional lenses, just my phone. My number one rule in photography is 10% gear and 90% what's up here. If you don't have an iPhone, that's perfectly okay, because the bulk of the principles that I teach in this course can be applied to any camera or phone. It's less about what you use and more about how you use it. But this course is designed around the latest iPhone and iOS. Throughout this course, I show you lots of example images, screen recordings, and graphics to better illustrate the course material and keep you engaged from start to finish. I'll also be adding a recap slide at the end of most of the lectures so that you can just sit back and enjoy the course material without having to worry about taking notes until the end. We will cover everything from setup to shot composition to editing your photos completely on your phone and everything in between. This course is designed for anyone that wants to become a skilled photographer and develop a more impressive portfolio or social media account without spending thousands of dollars on expensive cameras and lenses. In this course, you're going to learn a lot of great tips for becoming a better photographer with your iPhone. Here's just a few of the things that you're going to learn. How to take stunning photos by utilizing shot composition and how it affects your shots. How to optimize your iPhone camera settings for taking the best photos. How to create depth in your photography. How and why the best photographers tell stories in their photos. How to utilize natural light to properly light your subjects. How to professionally edit your photos in Lightroom on your iPhone, which is a completely free app. Okay, whenever you're ready, let's jump right in.